Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02254 error in Oracle database 12c. So here in SQL Plus editor I have logged in as a common user called C#Scott. So I am going to create one table called marks contains serial number, max, physics and total. So here total is the column, is a sum of max plus physics. Okay, it's a virtual column. Total column is a virtual column. Okay. So what is the error here? ORA-02254 default expression not allowed here. So here what is the problem is, here total is a virtual column. I have specified default 0. So the default is not allowed for virtual column. Okay. So you can specify default values for ordinary columns. Okay, so virtual columns does not support default values, so I am supplying virtual default values for ordinary columns now. Okay, I have deleted the default values for virtual column. This is the fix for ORA-2254 default expression not allowed here issue. Okay.